Welcome to Mr. Beck Does Your Homework. This is AP Physics, Homework 2.1, question number 11. It says a rocket initially at rest accelerates at a rate of 60 meters per second squared for 0.34 minutes. What is its speed at the end of this time? So let's write down some numbers. A rocket initially at rest, that's my initial velocity, is 0 because it's initially at rest. My initial velocity is 0 meters per second. Accelerates at a rate of 60 meters per second squared. So my acceleration is 60 meters per second squared. And it does so for 0.34 minutes. So my time is 0.34 minutes. What is its speed at the end of the time? So I need a final velocity. I have an equation that says that my acceleration is my final velocity minus my initial velocity divided by the time. And I'm looking for my final velocity. So let me do some rearranging of this equation. Let me multiply by t. So I get AT equals v minus v0. And now I want to solve for my final velocity. So if I add v0 to both sides, I will get, and rearrange, I will get my final velocity is my initial velocity plus my acceleration times my time. Now I could try to plug in my initial velocity, my acceleration, and my time, but I got a problem there is that this is in minutes. I can't do this in minutes. I have to put those in the standard units of seconds. So let me take 0.34 minutes and convert it from minutes to seconds. I know that in 1 minute there are 60 seconds, so this will give me, minutes cancel out, I'll get 0.34 times 60, and that'll give me some number of seconds. As soon as I get that, there's my time, there's my acceleration of 60, and there's my initial velocity of 0, and then I'll be there with my problem. So my final velocity is my initial velocity of 0 plus my acceleration of 60 times my time of, I don't know how many seconds this is. Right there. And that'll give you your answer. And my units there, acceleration times time. Well, acceleration is meters per second squared, and my time is in seconds. So when I get meters per second squared and I multiply it by seconds, one of those goes away and I'm left with meters per second. So my velocity is going to be in meters per second, just like I would expect it to be.